Anyway, let's go ahead and jump into this thing, man. Let's see what this young lady talking about, shall we? Lego.
The bill's $516, so I'm gonna just take out what I got, and then y'all can just split the bill on y'all own.
Nah, but everybody's splitting the bill, so why are you taking out what you got?
Respectfully, if you didn't have no money, you should have just done it.
Respectfully, I'm not paying for your steak, and I'm not paying for your mac and cheese, I'm not paying for your mashed potatoes, I'm not paying for your 5,000 drinks. And I told Nas before that I was splitting my bill.
Nah, you should have just stayed home, man.
It doesn't matter. It is a birthday gift.
When you go to somebody's birthday, then you spend bread.
I'm sorry, why y'all getting so loud? Can you put my bill on a separate thing, please? Because I don't know why they talking jazzy over here.
Well, nah, there's only one
Alex,
So I want to start off by addressing the guy at the end. Like, bro, what do you mean? If that young lady requests to have, a bill separate, I don't understand what the issue is. Let her whatever she ate, let her pay for whatever she ate. Let her go on by her business. Like, people always be trying to use that shame attack. That if you just broke in, just say that. No. If this young lady said, listen, when I look at my meal, I spent $20-something, but the bill like $500. If we split this mug, we still gonna be paying. I'm gonna be paying like double, triple. No, I'm not paying for y'all. I don't think that she was wrong about this. Even though I seen some stuff in the comments, people were just like, I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn. This young lady say that she don't want to pay for something, and she don't have to. What I would say to her is get you some other friends, man. Get you some other friends. Because if this young lady is on hard times, but she still wants to participate, she still wants to come and show her support, why in the world are they trying to shame her and tell her you should have just stayed home? No, I want to be here. I want to support my friends. You know what I'm saying? But at the same time, I don't want to have to pay for y'all meal. Ain't nothing wrong with that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't care how you slice this pie. I don't think that she is wrong at all, man. I've never did anything like this. But yeah, I don't think there's an issue. She said y'all 500 or 5,000 drinks, which means y'all was over here trying to get wasted. And you ain't about to do it on my damn dime. You ain't about to do it on my dime. So hate it or love it, I'm not paying for this. And if y'all want to scrap, go ahead and take her earrings out. If y'all want to scrap, hey, we can go ahead and get a poppin' in this restaurant right here. But yeah, man, I don't think anything she said was wrong, because if y'all run the bill up, y'all run the tab up, or whatever, then respectfully, we're gonna split this thing. I'm gonna go on about my business. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my night, and y'all can have at it. It is what it is. Y'all let me know, what do you guys think down in the comments, man? Have y'all ever been in a situation like this, or if you were in a situation like this, and you had a friend that was like, yo, I'm not splitting the bill. I hear what y'all were saying. We did maybe talk about this earlier, but I never agreed to this. Do y'all have an issue with it? I'm just saying, I don't. If I'm kicking it with somebody, most of the time I'm, depending on who's there, I might just go ahead and pay the tab anyway. You know what I'm saying? So we don't have that confusion. Everybody still, enjoy their night. If we're doing a birthday party for a friend or a family member, let me just go ahead and take all the stress off right doggone now, because I understand how this can be an issue. But this really lets you know what type of people you're dealing with on both sides of the coin. But yeah, y'all let me know what you guys think down in the comments about that, man.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.